हेलो एवरीवन, अ ग्रैंड वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू ऑन योर फेवरेट नीट इन्फॉर्मेटिव चैनल मेडिका विंग। मैं हूं अमित, आप देख रहे हैं मेडिका विंग का यूट्यूब चैनल। गाइस, इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट ओडिशा नीट कट ऑफ 2021. What will be the expected cutoff for different category in state quota as well as in all India quota for general, OBC, SC, ST, green card holders and girls category, and what was the minimum marks required in 2020 for different category in state quota as well as in all India quota to get admission in Odisha Medical College, one of the any medical college for MBBS, and what was the minimum rank required in NEET 2020 as well as what would be the minimum marks and minimum rank required to get admission in any one of the medical college in Odisha through state quota and through all India quota. We will discuss each and every point in this very short video. You please stay tuned with Medica Wing, as well as if you have not yet subscribed this channel and you are visiting first time to see the cutoff of any medical college through Medica Wing, do subscribe this channel, as well as please do share this content with your friends if you like this, so that you never miss an important update regarding NEET 2021. So students, starting with the video and talking about Odisha last marks required in 2020 and what would be the expected score, NEET score that you must have to maintain as per your category in 2021. Then guys, in this background of video you are seeing the seat allotment MBBS BDS round 2 institute wise list of candidates allotted seats in Odisha JEE 2020. We people know that the counseling authority for medical MBBS seats and BDS seat NEET counseling, it was Odisha JEE 2020, and here is the complete list of allotted candidates in different colleges after second round of counseling. Right here the allotted category is mentioned, serial number is mentioned, then the candidate's roll number mentioned, institute name that is also written over here, allotment status, either it was a new allotment or it was retained by that candidate, right? It has been also mentioned here. The choice number that people has given the choice of colleges to get allotment in any one of the colleges through this counseling process in 2020. The name of candidate is mentioned here, the candidates categories is mentioned here, and the general rank, and this rank belong to the Odisha JEE rank 2000, means it was the state rank of the candidate, right? Here different colleges information is given, and for MBBS and for BDS both the total allotment was given here in this file. Medica Wing has shortlisted the data from these files and made a Excel, and we are going to share the Excel with you containing the state rank as well as the last allotted candidate's name, his roll number, and the college he got in 2020 from state quota as well as through all India quota. Now here is the Excel that has been made by Medica Wing through all India quota counseling. The last allotment was done in these institutes, and the all India rank is mentioned here, the all India quota is mentioned here, the course name, allotted category, the candidate category is mentioned, and the NEET marks required on these all India rank, it is also mentioned here in this column. We have got these marks on these ranks after matching the state merit list of the candidates who got allotment in different colleges, right? Now talking about all India quota in 2020, for general PWD category the marks required was 228, and he got allotment in Pandit Raghunath Murmu Medical College, Baripata, Odisha, right? And his rank was 4,60,774. Okay, for STPWD and EWS-PWD the marks required was 261 and 311, and for these categories these PWD students got admission in BSS Medical College and SCB Medical College, Cuttack, right? For PWD candidates, talking about ST and SC candidates, the marks required was 494 for ST, 514 for SC candidates, and those candidates got admission in Shahid Lakshman Nayak Medical College, and Hospital Koraput and Government Medical College Balangir, right? And for OBC the marks required was 612, and for general and EWS also the marks required was 612, and the rank of all India ranking of these students were 14,823, 14,822 and 14,888. This was the last allotment, and the college was Shahid Lakshman Nayak Medical College and Hospital, Koraput, for all these candidates. Now if you people belongs to any other states, you are not from Odisha and you want to get admission in Odisha in any one of the medical college, then in 2021 you must have to secure above these ranks, right? In 2021 NEET examination, if you score better than 612, then definitely you will be getting a college in Odisha, but the college will be most probably allotted will be Shahid Lakshman Nayak Medical College and Hospital, Koraput, right? This was the last allotted marks of the students who got allotment in 2020. In 2020 the highest marks was obtained by the toppers was 720. Thus the rank of the students did not goes higher, but the marks of the different NEET aspirants goes higher for different college. The cutoff was high, but when we compare the rank with 2019, then it was almost same as compared to 2019, right? So if you belongs to any other state other than Odisha, then you must have to score 612 or more than this to get admission in any one of the medical college in Odisha through All India quota. Now talking about the state quota, we will discuss each and every detail for different category in state quota further with video. Here is the complete list, guys, of different last allotted college name, the roll number of the candidate, the allotment status, the name of the candidate and the candidate's category, the general rank, state rank, it is mentioned over here, All India ranking on that state rank it was mentioned here, and the NEET marks it is mentioned here in this column. You can easily see this for different category. General PH, the marks was required in 131. General green card holder PH category, marks required 152. ST PH, it was required 261. The allotted college name was SCB Medical College and Hospital, Cuttack. For ST, last candidate got allotment in Government Medical College Balasore through state quota, right, and his marks was 365. For EWS PH category, the marks was 373 and he got allotment in SCB Medical College and Hospital, Cuttack. For ST green card holder, the marks required was 382 and the college was Government Medical College Balangir. For SC candidate it was 509, college he got Government Medical College Balangir again. SC green card holder, marks required was 520 and he got admission in Medical College Balangir. For general PH category and ex-serviceman, he got allotment in Medical College Berhampur and his marks was in 2020 NEET examination, it was 541. For general ex-serviceman candidate, the marks required was 569. He got allotment in Government Medical College Balangir. Koraput, 3 category students got last allotment: EWS green card holder, EWS and general candidate, and the marks of these candidates in NEET 2020 it was 584, 585 and 591 respectively, and they got allotment in SLN Medical College, Koraput, right? For general green card holder, the marks required was 588, and for general green card holder ex-serviceman, the highest mark required was 650 and he got allotment in SCB Medical College and Hospital, कटक, राइट। नीट के एग्जामिनेशन से प्रोवाइड कराई जाएगी, जो सॉल्यूशन होगा, डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन होगा हर क्वेश्चन का, वो आपको बाय मेल प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा। इसके साथ आप ऑनलाइन टेस्ट जो कि बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है, जिसमें कि 200 प्लस टेस्ट हैं, और जो फ्री टेस्ट हैं 16 वो आप ऐप डाउनलोड करके ही दे सकते हैं इसके सेक्शन में जाके टेस्ट के, और ये आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मिलता है 30 सेट का जो ऑफलाइन टेस्ट सीरीज है पेन एंड पेपर बेस्ड, उसके साथ अगर आप इसे ऑप्ट करना चाहते हैं तो वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है, वहां पर आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, या फिर मेडकविंग का जो ऐप है गूगल प्ले स्टोर पर आप उसको डाउनलोड करके भी टेस्ट सीरीज के लिए ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं पेन एंड पेपर बेस्ड नीट 2021 के पैटर्न पे फॉर श्योर सक्सेस इन नीट 2021. So this was the allotment of 2020 of Odisha cutoff. If you talk about the NEET allotment after second round, right, and if you belongs to Odisha and you want admission in any one of the medical college in Odisha through state quota and you belongs to any one of these category, then in 2021 you must have to score more than these marks, because in 2020 the highest marks scored by the topper was 720. Thus the marks was gone higher in 2020, and this was the highest marks that has been obtained on these ranks in 2021. If again the topper scores 720, then the marks will be around these marks. There may be difference of 1 or 2 marks, right? But if the topper does not score 720 and if he scores less than that, definitely these marks will go down in 2021 as per your category. So as per your category, just see these marks, target this, definitely you will be getting a seat in Odisha Medical College through state quota. If you have any question, if you want to ask anything, you can just ask us in the comment section of the video. If you have any query for any medical college, you want the cutoff of any medical college, you can ask us on the comment box, as well as you can also send your request on the WhatsApp number that has been provided in the starting of the video. In next videos we will talk about the SCB Medical College Cuttack, the state quota cutoff and all India quota cutoff also. So guys, how was this video? If you like this video, please do share this content with your friends, as well as please do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you never miss an important update regarding NEET 2021.